Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Thursday, the 30th of July 2015. Starting off in the 5-minute chart, the market was fairly quiet before New York opened at 2:30 p.m. Then you can see there's a bit of indecision as the market trades sideways, but eventually it closes above the 17,650 level, and we get the triple X signal there. And then we see prices following, moving to the upside as the market waits for Yellen's comments at 7 p.m, which you can see happening on the chart over here. So the market continues to move higher, and as prices drive through the 17,700 level, you can see how the market comes back and it finds support and then continues on to the 17,750 level. Before running out of steam in the quiet part of the session. You can see the market there trading in just about a 20-point range. So yesterday price is moving up nicely in the pre-market session. This is unusual prior to the Fed speaking, or has been for the last few years, but there is the prospect and the murmurings that Yellen is going to increase interest rates in September. But of course yesterday she kept the market guessing, and it now could be December, and you'll find that this is probably going to be the ongoing story for some time. But the market comes back to this 17,700 level, and this is around 35 points at this level. But had you managed to hold this trade, then you can see that the market went on to trade a lot higher, and up to around here is where you would have got a 50% stop out. It is around 60 points on this trade as a maximum, but certainly 35-40 points as the market drove through the 17,700, but on a very light volume there, and that's because the market's being marked up. And just to show you this, let's just go to the daily chart, and you can see yesterday we do see a green professional buying bar, but the market's actually run into trouble here with the high of this bar. On this previous selling bar, the market went through the high, which is a critical point, but this one failed to make it yesterday. Price is sideways, and then of course as I say, the indecision from the Fed still with regards to interest rates, which you can see here in the business daily. I think it's business day. Yellen keeps the markets guessing. She was not specific at all, but there's no change there, frankly, and the same with Carney in the UK. So the market ran out of steam, and you see their prices sideways on the overnight market, but the buying dried up. If it was any genuine buying for a move to the upside, it disappeared yesterday as the market didn't trade as high, and certainly on less momentum. And the market's reaction, just to have a look at this, to the Fed, you can see initially we get this about a 70 points range, I would think. Let's just have a quick look from the low to the high there. 85, just a bit more, but the market's reaction, and then it tries to move higher, and that's again because they've got the chance to do that. When the Fed chair speaks, the market does prefer the upside, and that's what the Federal Reserve are doing at the moment. They're trying to keep this market moving to the upside, so that it looks like the economy is doing well there. And let's just have a quick look at today's news. Let's see what we've got. Advanced GDP is going to be the interesting one at 1:30. They're forecasting 2.6, and an increase also in the GDP price index quarter at 1.5 as well. Trade balance is also going to be out, but they haven't got any forecasted figures for that. So the market's going to be watching at 2:30, looking for a 2.6 in advanced GDP figures. Anything less than this will have a negative impact on the market. Anything greater, of course, they will use to their advantage and move the market back to the upside. Finally, in the implied volatility, we've got 1202 for Tuesday, Wednesday's session 11:33. Again, you can see that drop off because again the market believing the prices are going to move to the upside at the moment. But let's see how far they get off Yellen's indecision today, and also those GDP figures. Right, that's it from me. I will see you in tomorrow's edition. As ever, have a good day, and thanks for your support, and also for watching. See you in the next one.